Some pearls are gems. Pearls and gems. Some gems are diamonds. Again, we can have this, we can have this. All diamonds are rings. Further, we can have a circle like this. Maybe a circle overlapping this also. So all diamonds are rings. All rings are bangles. Further, we can have a circle like this, and we can have various possibilities. Okay, according to conclusion, we'll just draw the diagrams once again. Some bangles are definitely rings. Now that is very obvious. All diamonds are rings. Diamonds, and this is diamond, this is a ring, and all rings are bangles. Right? So definitely there is some intersection between bangles and rings. Bangles and rings. So some bangles are definitely rings. These are correct. All rings are diamonds. So that's not there. In fact, all diamonds are rings. Right? That's given over there. All diamonds are rings. So all rings are diamond. It cannot be concluded. The circle of ring and diamond, maybe they are overlapping each other. Maybe all diamonds are rings. This can be the scene. Right? This is diamond and this is ring. So we are not sure about it. All diamonds are not bangles. See, there is a possibility that all the diamonds are bangles, as I have drawn this diagram, right? Where all the diamonds are first rings and then all the rings are bangles, right? But all diamonds are not bangles, we cannot be so sure about it, right? Because there is a possibility that all the diamonds are bangles. So this cannot be concluded. Right? So only one follows. I hope you are clear. Then all chairs are tables. So chairs, tables. All tables are telephones. So all tables are telephone. Then all telephones are cell phones. Okay. So further we have one circle, cell phones. Then no cell phone is a computer. So computer is entirely a different circle. Okay. All cell phones being tables is a possibility. All cell phones being tables is a possibility. See, if all the circles like chairs, tables, telephones, if they are overlapping circles like this, then there is a possibility definitely that all cell phones being table. Okay, so here they are talking about possibilities. So yes, definitely possibility is there. Okay, then at least some chairs are computers. Computers and chairs, there is no intersection between chairs and computer, because computer is altogether a different circle, right? So that is definitely incorrect. No chair is a computer for sure, because there is no intersection between chair and computer at all. In no case chair and computer will intersect each other, right? So no chair is computer, that is also true. So first and third, both of them are true. So that is option 5. Okay. Some dogs are bags. Dogs and bags. Okay, no bag is lion. So we can have a circle of lion, a different circle, or maybe a circle of lion like this. Maybe there is an intersection between dog and lion. So there is two possibilities. There is some intersection between dogs and lions, and maybe there is no intersection between dogs and lions. So these are the two possibilities. All rooms are lions. So the circle of a room will be inside the circle of lion like this. So that is circle of room. This is circle of room. Maybe this circle of room can may intersect the circle of dogs as well. So there is also a possibility like this. Okay, or maybe the circle of room is like over here also. Okay, so there are various possibilities. We just go through the conclusion and let's see what happens. Some rooms are not bags. So some rooms are not bags. Actually, this is basically no room is bag. There is no intersection at all between room and bag. We cannot see in any case. So we cannot say some room are not bags. In fact, all the rooms are not bags. So that's wrong. All dogs being bag is a possibility. All the dogs being dogs and bags. All the dog being bags. See here, some dogs are bags. So we can have this diagram like this also. Some dogs are bags. But in any case, all dogs being bags is not possibility, because some dogs are bags only. So all dogs being bag is not possible. So even this is incorrect, right? All bags are dogs, that is possible, but all dogs are bags, that is not possible, right? Are you getting me? All the bags, because the circle, some dogs are bags, so some of the area of dog is covered by bag, right? So some dogs are bag, that is possible, but all the, and the other thing is all the bags are dogs, that is possible, right? According to this statement, all the bags are dogs, that is possible, but all the dogs are bags, that is not possible, right? So that is incorrect. At least some rooms are dogs. So do we see any intersection between a room and dogs? In this case, we do not see any intersection between rooms and dogs, but in this case, yes, right? So rooms and dogs intersection is a possibility, not surety. So we are not sure even about it. Some lions are not bags. Some lions are not bags. In fact, no bag is lion, that is already given. So some lion, this is an irrelevant conclusion, right? So none of them is actually cannot be concluded. None of them can be concluded. Okay, so this fifth one. All flowers are rooms. So flowers, rooms. Some rooms are windows. Maybe this, maybe this. All cards are windows. So maybe this, maybe this, maybe over here also, right? So various possibilities are there. Some cards are flowers. So do we see any intersection between cards and flower? So in this case, cards and flower, there is no intersection. So it is not, it is just a possibility, because in this case we can see an intersection. If I put the circle of a card over here in this common region, then there is a possibility that some cards are flowers, but it is not surety. So we are not sure about it. Okay, at least some cards are rooms. So do we see the intersection between cards and rooms? See, in this case, this is a circle of card and this is the circle of room. We do not see any intersection between room and card, right? So it is not sure that some cards are rooms. Okay, some windows are definitely not flowers. So windows and flowers. Do we see there is, see, whenever you see this, these sort of some and no cases, you have to be very careful, right? Some windows are flowers, there is a possibility, right? Some windows are flowers, and if we ask about possibility, then we can see a possibility, because we can see an intersection between windows and flowers. But when we see the sum and not combination, it will be wrong, right? Some windows are definitely not flowers. We cannot conclude this. So whenever you see sum and not combination, be clear with this, we cannot conclude this. Okay, all unless until you have the Venn diagram, perfect Venn diagram for that, right? So be clear about it. In this case, some windows are flowers, there is possibility, because we can see an intersection between flowers and windows, right? So there is a possibility that some windows are flowers, but we cannot say that some windows are definitely not flowers, right? All cards are rooms. So we can see over here the circle of cards is definitely, there is no intersection between the circle of card and room. So we cannot say that all cards are rooms. So even this is wrong. So all of them are wrong. Now the important thing which I would like to discuss over here, why I am insisting on this sum and note. Because I can draw a Venn diagram when some windows are definitely not flower, it will be just opposite order. Some windows are definitely flowers, right? So I can draw this diagram. So and how do I draw this diagram? Just see to it carefully. All flowers are rooms. So this is the circle of flower and this is the circle of room. Okay, then some rooms are windows. Now I'm taking windows over here. right? Some rooms are windows. So this is a circle of room, and inside this circle I can draw this circle of windows because some rooms are windows. Coincidentally, this circle of windows is coming inside the circle of flowers, right? So some windows are definitely not flowers. We cannot say cannot say that, because in this case in fact all the windows are flowers, right? In this case all the windows are flowers. If all the windows are flowers, some windows are definitely not flower, it is wrong, right? So that's why whenever you see this case some and not, the combination of some and not, be careful about it. Just try to draw this sort of diagram whether it is possible or not. Before that, do not conclude this. Okay, I hope you are clear. And this is a Venn diagram that is evident that it is this statement cannot be concluded, because this is also a possible Venn diagram with these statements, right? All flowers are rooms, all flowers are rooms, some rooms are windows. So out of this total circle of room, I have drawn a circle of windows. Coincidentally, this circle of windows is coming inside the circle of, the entire circle is coming inside the circle of flower, and that is a possibility, only possibility, right? We are not sure about it. It may be over here also, right? But since there is a conclusion that some windows are definitely not flowers, to prove this wrong, I have drawn this arrangement. Okay. All men are wolves. So this is the circle of men, and this is the circle of wolves. Men and wolves, both the circle may be overlapping to each other. So that is also a possibility. Then all owls are men. Okay. All men are wolves, all owls are men. So the circle of owls will be inside the circle of men. So this is owls. Then all parrots are owls. Okay, so inside this we have parrots. Okay. So see, all. So maybe all the four circles are overlapping each other. So any of them can be any of them, right? All men can be parrots, all parrots can be men, all parrots can be wolves, all wolves can be owls, whatever, right? So all wolves being owls is a possibility, because if all the circles are overlapping each other, because all of the everywhere we can see this all. So maybe all the circles are overlapping each other, then there is a possibility that all the wolves are owls. Okay, so that's there. At least some owls are wolves, that is also possible, because the circle, maybe some of them are overlapping each other, some of them are not. And all parrots are wolves. We cannot be sure about it. Here we are talking about possibility. Okay, I'm sorry. All parrots. Parrots is the innermost circle. So all parrots and wolves is outermost. So definitely all parrots are wolves. That is, in fact, even it is correct, right? We are not sure that all wolves are parrots, right? But all parrots are wolves. That is definitely sure. But all wolves are parrots. That is a possibility. Okay. All parrots are not men. Whenever you see this not, just be very clear. All parrots are not men. If we draw all this overlapping circle, that in that case all parrots are men will be true, right? So we are not sure about it. We are sure about these three. So first, second, third follow. I hope you are clear. Now you must be finding it very easy to deal with the problems on syllogisms using Venn diagrams, right? Some grains are pulse. Grains and pulse. All vegetables are fruits. We have nothing to do with this, so we can just draw it. Okay, we just go through this. All pulses are vegetables. So all pulses are vegetables. Okay. Then all vegetables are fruits. So further we can have a circle like this, fruits. And this outermost circle can even cover up the circle of grains. That is a possibility. Okay. And in fact, the circle of vegetable, even it can take the entire circle of grain inside it itself. Okay. So that is also a possibility, not surety, but possibility. Now let's see the conclusions. Some grains are vegetables. Do we see any intersection between grains and vegetables? Yes. So that is grains and vegetables. Definitely there is an intersection. Okay. So that's true. Then all vegetables are pulses. All vegetables are pulses. No, the circle of pulses is in fact inside the circle of vegetable. See, we have been given all pulses are vegetables, right? All pulses are vegetables. So all pulses are vegetables. Maybe these two circle, pulses and vegetables, they overlap each other, or maybe the situation is like this. So there are two possibilities. So we are not sure about it, right? We are not sure about it. All vegetables are pulses is a possibility, not surety. But all the pulses are vegetables, that is for sure, right? Because that is already given. So we are not sure about it. Then all fruits are not grains. So again, whenever you see this note, just try to check it carefully whether we can draw this diagram or not. So just wait, I just see this also, because first in any case it is true. So I just see first and third, there is no combination of first and third, so but we have a combination of first and fourth, so I just check this first of all. At least some vegetables are grains. So do we see some intersection between vegetables and grains? So vegetables and grains, definitely there is an intersection. So at least some vegetables are grains, that is definitely true. So according to me, first and fourth, because I do not see this combination for first and fourth anywhere else, so this is correct. Though we don't need to check all fruits are not grains, still for your clarity, for the concept clarity, I'll just try to draw this diagram where I'll prove that all fruits are grains. Okay, let's see what happens. So that's very simple. Some grains are pulse. So this is the circle of grains and this is the circle of pulse. Okay, I just draw this circle simple, it's a bit smaller. This is a circle of grains, this is a circle of pulses. Then all pulses are vegetables. Okay, then all vegetables are fruits. So the circle of fruits we can have over here like this. Okay, so if we have this case, then all the fruits will be grains, right? So all fruits are not grains, it cannot be concluded. That is a possibility only. If I draw this circle of fruits like maybe covering the circle of vegetables, but at least some portion is outside this circle of grain, then there is a possibility that some fruits are not grains, but all fruits are not grains, we cannot conclude this. As I've already proved over here, the circle of fruit may come inside the circle of grains, right? So all fruits are not grains, it's wrong to say. All fruits are grains, even that is wrong to say. All fruits are not grains, that is a possibility. All fruits are grains, that is also a possibility, right? But none of them is sure. All fruits are grains, even that is not sure. All fruits are not grains, even that is not a surety. Okay, so be very clear about surety and possibility. If there is surety, then definitely you need to check. If there is possibility, then you have to be, then the problem will be very simple, because definitely there is a possibility. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now this most of the doctors are engineers, so various diagrams can be drawn. Suppose this, right? So this is a circle of doctor and this is engineer. So most of the area of doctor, like this overlapping is very big. Okay, so some and most diagram will be almost same, but the overlapping area will be different. So that really doesn't matter over here. Okay, most of the engineers are pilot. So none of the engineers, I'm sorry, so none of the engineer are pilot. So maybe pilots are over here, maybe pilots are over here, or maybe like this. Okay, so and the next is all pilots are doctors. So we just eliminate this this and this, because all the pilots are doctors. We can have a circle like this. Okay, some engineers are definitely not doctors. Now whenever we see some and not, as I already told you, you should just check it first, right? Before taking it into consideration, just check it, right? Whether you can draw this diagram or not. So what I can do is I just try to draw where I have to prove that some engineers are definitely not doctors. So whether I'm able to prove that or not. So what I do is, most of the doctors are engineers. So I have this circle of doctors. Then I have a bigger circle inside this circle of engineers, right? Then all pilots are doctors. None of the engineer are pilots, so this is a circle of pilot, and all pilots are doctors. So this is a circle of all pilots are doctors as well, right? So some engineers are definitely not doctors. It's untrue over here. It's false over here, because in this case all the engineers are doctors. So whenever you see some and not, just be clear, just try to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so it's wrong. Definitely over here some engineers are definitely not doctors. It seems to be true over here because we have some area which is not occupied by the circle of doctor. But in this case some engineers are definitely not doctors. It is just false, because the entire circle of engineers is coming under the circle of doctors, because most of the doctors are engineers. So precisely the circle of engineer may be inside the circle of doctor. So that is also a possibility, and that is also a possibility, right? All doctors are pilots. No, all pilots are doctors, right? And since there is none of the engineer is a pilot, so we cannot draw a circle that is outside the circle of doctor or overlapping the circle of doctor of pilots. Okay, so that's also not true. No pilot is an engineer. So in any case, none of the engineer is pilot. That's already given. So that is so definitely true. At least some pilots are engineer. That is definitely wrong, because no pilot is an engineer. That's already given. So that is cannot be taken into consideration, right? So this is really going to be an important question where we have discussed this concept in detail, and remaining were very easy. So whenever you see some and not, just be very careful in marking up your answer. Right? Some engineers are doctors. That is in fact all engineers are doctors. That is a possibility, right? All engineers are not doctors. That is also a possibility. Some engineers are doctor. That is a possibility. All engineers are doctor. That's a possibility. So possibility and surety, be very clear about it, right? Possibility, when there are various chances, right? Whenever you can draw more than one diagram, then we talk about the possibility. When you are just able to draw just single Venn diagram, or when a particular situation or a particular conclusion is true in all the cases, then only you have to be sure. Right? So over here some engineers are definitely not doctors. We have a Venn diagram where we can see that all the engineers are doctors, right? So, and over here definitely word is used, not possibility, right? So we cannot treat this conclusion as correct. I hope you are clear. So many questions we have discussed in this session, and so many students demanded about the questions on syllogisms, about the possibility cases in fact. So I have done so many questions in this session. If you just revise this session 2 to 3 times, it will be really good for you, and just try to do some more sums on syllogisms of these possibility cases and definitely cases, and try to make Venn diagrams on your own, because these days so many different type of questions from syllogism section are appearing in various competitive exams. Now whenever there is a bit twist, because the sum and note, these are the recent cases which are appearing in this competitive exams. So whenever there is a twist, students just get confused because you have not practiced well, right? So if you practice well, if you do Venn diagram, so if you are conceptually clear with Venn diagram cases, then you will be able to do any sort of problem based on syllogism, right? Somewhere some student asked me to do the problem from just crisscross method, but these methods are really useful when you just go for the rectification, right? Whenever you know all the cases. But Venn diagram method is like that, whether you know all the cases or not, that really doesn't matter. You can do all the questions very easily if you are clear with Venn diagram. You just think whether you are able to draw the Venn diagram for this particular situation or not, or according to that you can answer the question. So possibility, because possibility cases are definitely something new, but for that we have in the basic sessions also we have discussed the various possible Venn diagrams, right? Definitely possibility words they have started using recently, but we have seen the cases of possibility earlier as well. Okay, so just do the session once again, maybe 2 to 3 times, and try to do all the questions on your own. Okay, bye bye.